Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Zay, bringing you another episode of Only Hustling Game. And in today's episode, I'm going to be giving you guys a complete stock and crypto updated portfolio. We're going to be going over all the trades that I had been making recently since I hadn't posted in a good minute. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, guys, please leave a like, subscribe, and watch all the way to the end because I'm going to be showing you guys my next big play that I'm looking to get into as far as doing a potential 10x, 15, 20x, something kind of like the Shiba Inu that's been going crazy across all different social media platforms and just YouTube in general. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with our stocks first by opening up our Robinhood portfolio. And as you can see, this past month I am up 20% for a total of $603. Past week I'm up 10%. Not bad, not bad. I did start recently trying to get back into my dividend investing as far as my REITs and different, nice paying quarterly dividend stocks. So if we take a look here on our charge point, for instance, we got into this position a while back with an average buy price of $19. We're up 29% right now. And if you guys did end up getting into that long call option I had been talking about, I made a video on it probably about a month or so ago. You're probably up considerably right now because me personally, I wasn't able to get a position in on the long call option just because I did not have the capital. I wanted to purchase 2 contracts of it, which was going to come out to about $1,200. That is something I didn't end up getting into, but yeah, we're still up. And this is a company that I'm looking to hold long term. I do want to pick up eventually a 400 shares of it, but that's charge point. I picked up a few shares of PSEC and not even a full share of NRZ. Those are REITs right there, so those are monthly paying dividend. Take a look at our Dogecoin. Dogecoin has been pretty stagnant lately. I mean, it hasn't really broken out of the 20-cent range. I think last week sometime it did go to 33 cents very briefly, but other than that, it's been pretty flat. Everybody knows that right now the main talk is the Shiba Inu coin that has been going crazy recently. And if we go to our crypto.com app, I will show you guys how I have been kind of moving around in the crypto space. If you watched any of my previous videos, you do know that I had sold 20 million shares of Shiba Inu for $165, which of course I'm definitely regretting that now because I believe 20 million shares is kind of running about $1,500. Okay, so finally loaded. I have been dollar cost averaging into my SIA coin. So right now we are up on that. I think I have a total of $470 invested in SIA coin. So that's been nice because it's finally trading above that 2-cent support line. It hadn't broken past 2 cents in a good minute. So it's really nice to see SIA coin finally doing something. As you guys know, this is one of my long-term holds. I do want to own 100,000 shares of SIA coin. That cloud storage, that's going to be a big one moving forward in the next few years, I feel like, for SIA coin. ICP, I didn't even realize how much money I had been throwing into ICP lately. I've been down on it quite considerably. I think I have $670 invested in ICP for a total of 11 shares, and I've just been down on it. It hasn't been performing like I would have liked it to, but that's another one of my long-term holds, ICP. I do think that it can rebound to something maybe not as big as the $750 it was trading at when it first debuted, but I think it can be a couple $100 per coin eventually. So I think I'm gonna stop investing in ICP when I hit 20 shares of it. Dogecoin Mars has been down. That's a new crypto that has been, well, it's not really new, but it has been new as far as getting getting listed on the crypto.com app. So I have a total of $500 invested into the Dogecoin Mars coin. Right now we're down crazy. It's down a lot since I started buying it. So right now, if you wanted to get 200 million shares of Dogecoin Mars, it would only cost you $297. So I don't know. This is one of those plays right here where, again, this is not financial advice for one of these meme coins, but if we take a look at what's been happening lately with Shiba Inu and what had happened earlier this year with Dogecoin, you got all these meme coins coming out that are kind of taking that Shiba Inu dog the actual dog and making their own cryptocurrencies, and the returns have been crazy. But again, guys, you got to be careful with the meme coins because you never know what can happen. So do your due diligence and make sure that whatever you're investing into these meme coins, you can afford to lose. Recently, that Squid Game token came out. I did not get a position in that because I'm not really into that whole coin, but it was a complete rug pull there. I'm thinking they were down about 100%. It went up like crazy, and then they sold off on it, and a lot of people lost their money. So you just got to be careful and make sure that whatever you're investing in, you're okay if you're going to lose the money. For me with this one, I mean, I do feel like eventually the Dogecoin Mars can do something potentially next year in the 2022 year. Maybe by the end of this year. I don't think it's going to take off as crazy as Shiba Inu, but maybe by next year something can happen to where we can lose a few zeros. So this is my play, for instance, for now, just to see what can happen. I think I'm going to be looking to get a total of 500 million shares eventually. I did pick up some Polygon, and I do want to start staking Polygon on crypto.com, because if you have a total of, I believe, 500 polygons or a total of $500 worth of Polygon, you can actually stake it. And if you stake it for the 3-month term, you will actually get a 10% APY, which is just insane, guys. You're not going to kind of find that dividend yield on any stocks right now. Even REITs don't have that high of an annual percentage yield. So that's something I'm looking to get into a little bit more. It's just the staking. That's the crypto.com portfolio. If we go over to our Gemini app, speaking about staking, I actually went ahead and staked $300 on the GUSD. And if you guys didn't know, that is a stable coin. So it's going to match the United States dollar. It's never going to be more than $1. It's never going to be less than $1. So you can have some confidence in that if you're looking to, you know, maybe take some money out of your traditional bank savings account and you want a bigger, you know, interest return on that, then you can definitely check that out. They're paying 8.05% interest, which is amazing, guys, because as you know, traditional banks don't pay anything for interest. You're looking at 0.01%, maybe, if not less. So yeah, 8.05% interest. I have the extra cash sitting around, so I thought, why not, you know, let my money make money for me? And so I feel like that's a good way. I had Dogecoin already in the Gemini app. I think I've earned a total of 10 Dogecoins over the long period of time that I've had it in there. But that's not too bad. And then if we go over to our Blockfi account, I've accrued $10.26 of interest with my Bitcoin being active for a good minute now on here. So I think I originally had posted about $370 worth of Bitcoin back when Bitcoin was only about trading in the $30,000 range. So we're up over $300, which is nice, but I'm not looking to get rid of this anytime soon. That's our Blockfi. And then I did just make a video on how to get the Saitama Inu coin. So if you haven't seen that yet, go check that out. And this is on my BitMart account. I'm gonna be looking to put at least a good $100 into Saitama Inu. Right now, I think I only have $34. So not a whole lot, but who knows what can happen with that. With all these meme coins going crazy, you never know, man. You could wake up one day and find yourself a millionaire or a 6-figure dude, so who knows. But that's what I went ahead and did on BitMart. And the last one will be, we're gonna actually take a look at one more stock. I wanted to show you guys my 3M stock, because as you guys know, in a previous video, I showed you guys how I went ahead and how I do my employee stock purchase program at my job, to where 10% of my paycheck goes toward 3M stock. And I do that just because it is a, you know, it's a dividend safe haven, really. And I know that I'm gonna make a return by getting my 15% discount. So in the month of September, I contributed about $495 for that whole month towards my 3M stock. And in this month of October, because I did so much overtime, I actually contributed over $1,100 to the 3M stock, and I picked up the most shares in a month I ever pick up. So I typically do about 2 to 3 shares a month that I pick up, but this month I ended up buying 7 full shares. So now I have a total of 31 shares. I'm getting paid out $1.48 every single quarter. I think in the month of December, when 3M pays dividends again, I'll be getting about $45, which right there, just doing the snowball effect, just like Warren Buffett talks about. I'm going to reinvest that money back into the Ethereum stock and eventually grow my position a lot bigger. Or I might just start picking up some more dividend REITs. Haven't really decided yet, but my average cost basis actually went down recently. I had a cost basis per share of about $164, $165, and now it's $161. So slowly but surely getting that cost basis down, and yeah, pretty excited about that. But that is it for this video, guys. I just updated you on my complete stock and crypto portfolio. I'm showing you guys what I'm looking to get into as far as next year, the whole game plan of going into increasing my dividend portfolio and my crypto staking portfolio, and here and there, you know, putting a little bit of money into the more speculative trades like these meme coins that are coming out. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you're looking to get into any of the meme coins and the hype that's going around them, or if you're sticking towards your traditional investments, trying to build up the dividend portfolio. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and please go ahead and like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.